Welcome back to the channel. This time we're in Maui on the Hoapili Trail. We went out early in the morning. This trail will be down by McKenna, a little bit past, in the lava fields just on the west side of Haleakala.
So pretty.
I know. Crazy.
We really haven't seen much of a lava field necessarily.
How's it going?
Good. Beautiful day.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that wind's just blowing right over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of like drive up
Okay. We can do that.
and then go to that town.
There must be more trail back there.
Yeah.
Got that.
The trail is pretty straightforward, but just try to stay on the path. Ask people for directions if you need. We took kind of the western end of the Hoapili Trail, not the interior, mainly because we were just kind of hiking to hike. We didn't have a destination in mind. You'll see a bunch of lava rocks throughout your trip. You'll be right along the coast for most of it. Just be prepared with probably some shoes versus flip-flops, as well as be prepared with a bunch of water if you can. This was probably my favorite part of the hike when you get closer to the end where the lighthouse is or used to be. Really, you just get some awesome cliff views, this deep blue water, the waves crashing against, the wind blowing. It's really just tough to not enjoy the beauty that Hawaii, and especially Maui, brings.
can you see this? Where else?
Make sure to bring some shade or some coverage. It does get hot out there, even if it's cloudy and rainy early in the morning. As you can see, I needed some shade. It was getting brutal out there, and there's zero coverage. Now there will be some, I call secret beaches along this path as well. You may have to climb down some rocks, some dirt, but you'll get some great views, some nice private beaches, and really get to enjoy everything Hawaii has to offer.
Gosh, that's beautiful.
And we end the day with a rainbow, as Maui typically does. Hope you enjoyed this hike. Hope you get a chance to go down and take advantage of it. It's really a lot better than what some people make it seem, but I love the lava fields, Haleakala, and everything it had to offer. Thanks again. Like and subscribe.